Did you know that you could get renter's insurance to insure your property and also your liability for probably less than what most people spend on their Starbucks bill every month? Actually, there's a lot of myths about renter's insurance, and people think it's really expensive, but it's not. It's a very inexpensive insurance policy. In fact, most insurance companies, to be honest with you, don't make money off of renters, but they hope that it will lead to other lines of insurance down the road. Another myth people have about insurance is that renter's insurance is that say they think, they're college students, hey, I don't have enough property to really worry about. Well, renter's insurance not only covers your personal property, but it also covers your liability. Like if somebody is hurt on your property after you have a party or something and they sue you, then your renter's insurance will cover your liability. Also, if somebody gets hurt on your property, you do have medical coverage that extends to your guests that might be hurt at your property. Renter's insurance covers your property if it's damaged by some sort of weather-related event like lightning, wind. Also, of course, it's going to cover your property if it's damaged by fire. Now, unfortunately, it will not cover your property if there's a flood, like rising water and everything's flooded, then it would not cover it. But you do have the option of getting flood insurance, and flood insurance will cover your property in the event of a flood. Another myth that people frequently have is that the landlord is going to be responsible for personal property if there's some sort of peril. And the landlord is not going to be responsible for your personal property unless they personally did something, to damage your property. But if there was a fire, there's lightning, there's a storm, their insurance is going to cover the building and the property that they own, not your personal property. So it's really important for you, if you're a renter, to get your own insurance policy to cover your personal property and your liability. Finally, people get confused about how much coverage they have off premises. And if you have, say, $30,000 of personal property coverage on your renter's policy, then if you have something stolen away from your house, and that means if it's in your car or if it's at like a music festival or something like that, you would have 10% off premises coverage, which in that example would be $3,000. Now, if you have any questions about, how to calculate how much coverage you need, anything like that, just, send me an email, go to my YouTube channel, and I'll be happy to answer your questions in a future video. Thanks.